Tops tiles have created a stone wall so that you can see the difference between different stones, understand how they're different, and choose the one that's perfect for you. Marble is the stone of the moment, ranging from bright white Carraras to textured greys and colourful greens. As limestone recrystallises, it becomes much denser and over time turns into the marble we know. Polished or honed, marble looks amazing, but it can be susceptible in wet areas, so it needs to be properly sealed and maintained, especially in bathrooms. As mentioned before, limestone is a younger version of marble, which is why you often see the veining that you'd see in marble in limestone as well, but it needs to be treated differently. Just as durable as marble, limestone has traditionally been a honed and rustic finish, but Tops tiles have brought in polished and sandblasted limestone to give different interesting textures. In terms of aftercare, limestone needs to be sealed and then maintained using a neutral pH cleaner. Travertine is the most natural looking stone with lots of pits and voids in its surface, and this is caused by hot water leaking through when it was formed millions of years ago. You can choose different grades of quality, the most expensive being a honed finish with very few marks, or the standard quality product that has got visible pits in the surface and is a more country and rustic feel. With travertine and any natural stone, it's recommended that you dry lay your tiles before fixing them to make sure you're happy with the overall look and the variation in each tile. Slate is an amazing material. Quarries cut along visible layers to create slimmer slabs. Though it is quite brittle in single slabs, once laid, it's extremely durable. This natural stone comes in a multitude of colours, from coppery rusts to deep black, with no two pieces being the same. It's important to seal slate, but you can also opt for a colour intensifier, which protects the surface and brings to life those layers of colour. Granite is a great option for heavy footfall areas like hallways and kitchens. It's known as the hardest stone available. As you can see from these samples, the colour of the stone is consistent, but it's the composition of the minerals that gives it this stunning variation. It's important to seal the stone to avoid any water stains or marks. Their store specialists are experts in how to fit and seal stone and are there to answer any questions.